Guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a little back to school haul with you guys. I've done this like several years in a row. I think it's really fun. I love back to school shopping, as I feel like most of us do, loving the fresh start. But I've been shopping all summer and acquiring a few new pieces. And I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but like I do this thing where like a lot of times most of these things I don't like to wear until it's like the new year, so they're all like fresh and new. I don't know, so you'll notice some of these have tags on and that would be why. If you're new here, feel free to head on down below, hit that subscribe button. I'm hoping by the time you watch this we've hit 4,000 subscribers. I'm like a few away. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. So what I decided today is I'm just gonna sit back. I'm in my new dorm room, but I don't have like a good filming setup yet, so I'm just sitting in my chair. I kind of feel like I blend into the wall. The chair and the wall are the same color, and low-key I kind of am too. But I was just gonna show you a couple of the pieces I bought, share it with you, maybe it'll inspire you a little bit while you're shopping, and yeah. So the first things I'm going to be showing you are kind of my like athleisure. I don't know, I'm not really athletic or sporty, so it's kind of funny to call it that. It's more like stuff I wear when I want to be comfortable. Old Navy, when I was shopping, had their leggings on sale, $10 each. And so what I got was, this is just a pair of the high-rise crop, and I like the cropped ones actually. It's kind of weird. I heard someone the other day say that they absolutely hate them, but the way, like, I don't know how to explain it, but where they fall on me, it's not like the super cropped one, just like the kind of cropped one. Like, I don't like them to go down to my ankles, but I also don't want them like right up by my knees. It's a difficult balance. So then with that, I don't really have cute sports bras. So what I decided was I got this one from Old Navy in the gray. I really liked this because I felt like it went really well with the black, and I liked how neutral it was because I feel like it'll go under a bunch of different tank tops really well. And this is considered this is like light support, so this isn't like I'm going to be doing anything crazy in it. I thought this would just go really well under like tank tops and kind of workout clothes. The next thing I got a few months ago, I guess like a month or two ago. And it wasn't something I bought for back to school, but it's like one of my favorite things. I don't know if it's ever really been shown on my channel, so I figured I would just include it in the haul. It's actually merch. This is merch for the band Dayglow. I definitely talked about Dayglow in one of my vlogs recently, but Dayglow is like an Austin-based band, and it's this guy named Sloan, and he makes really, really cool music. If you haven't looked it up yet, you should. I guess Emma Chamberlain one time included it in a Snapchat. I just think, oh, I love Dayglow music so much, and so I love this shirt because I think it's just really fun. If you look at the lettering, I just like it a lot, and it's comfort colors. So you know, when I was standing there debating on whether or not I should buy it, the nice girl selling it was like, it's comfort colors. What can I say? You had me at comfort colors. So this next piece is something I had to buy for a photo, but I actually kind of needed anyways. I never own white because I am so pale, and it's hard. I feel like it's hard to find white stuff that's not see-through, but so I just wanted like a nice kind of casual white blouse, and so I got this button-down one, and it's got a little frocket on it. Can you call it a frocket when it's a nice shirt? I don't know. There's a front pocket on it, and I just thought this was really nice. It's collared, and so what I did is I paired it with a denim skirt because I'm going to be I say this every video, I'm going to be a resident assistant, and we did training all this week. Today we took photos, like group photos and individual photos, but it's really nice to be all coordinated, so we all wore white and denim, and I was like, I don't have white. Except I had one white shirt, but it was off the shoulders, and I just didn't feel like that was appropriate for this. So I have this now, and so I just think this is like a nice white shirt I can kind of wear as a basic. That's where we're at right now. Is I love shopping, and I think we know this, but part of why I haven't done a haul recently is because I've been like doing better about shopping, mainly because I don't want to like be shopping all the time. I want to find products I love and I'm passionate about and share those with you guys, and I want to have a wardrobe that is like solid and represents me, and like it's very hard to find your style, and I feel like as I'm going to college and changing, all of this is changing, but that's kind of the things I'm thinking through in my brain. Sorry, that was a weird brain dump for you to like listen to all of that, but that's what I've been thinking about when I've been shopping / not shopping. This next shirt is like my perfect casual shirt. I always buy stripes, y'all, and I can't stop buying stripes, but like I love stripes. So I went to Marshall's. That's where I got the last white shirt, was from Marshall's, and this is from Marshall's as well. So it's got the stitching going down the front, and I think it looks really nice. It's got a little front pocket, and the fit of it just looks really flattering on, and so it's pretty lightweight. And so this is the kind of thing that I feel like the way my style works is I like buying pieces like this because I'm like, I could throw on jeans, walk out the door, and look semi-presentable. Not like fancy, but like nice. or I could put on with the skirt and some accessories and the right shoes and the jacket and look like super cute if you like, you know, layer and add things together. So I love a piece like this that just works a million different ways. The next two things I'm going to show you are outfits I bought with the intention of wearing to Texas football games, because if you don't know, Texas football game outfits are kind of a big deal. No, maybe they're not to everyone else. I sound so shallow when I say that. I can be like very thoughtful and like intelligent, but then when it comes to something like this, I'm like, no, this is important to me. Like, I like dressing nice for the football games. I've been going my whole life. I always wore t-shirts and saw everyone look super nice, and now I'm like, I'm a college girl, I'm gonna dress cute and like fun for these. So one of the things I got for the football games is I got this burnt orange romper. So the sleeves have little bows on them, which I love, and then it cinches at the waist. And then it's just kind of a short, it's a little romper. So I absolutely love this because I think I could so easily just throw this on with my cowgirl boots, and I have some jewelry, and I just think it would be perfect. And something I found with this, I did try it on and it wasn't too flattering until I used a belt. So I have like a nice brown belt that I'll use to like cinch it at the waist, and it looks absolutely adorable. I found since coming to college, it's really fun on game day to like get together with your girlfriends and like dress really cute and do stuff before or after. And so I got another burnt orange romper. But y'all, look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, tell me this isn't like the cutest thing. These last two things were from Ross and I was very surprised. However, I feel like burnt orange recently has been like pretty in trend. When I was in Hawaii a year ago, there was so much burnt orange stuff at Forever 21, and I was like, in Hawaii? Wow, like everyone likes burnt orange if it's all the way far away from Texas. I really love, it's off the shoulders and I think it's really pretty with the ruffles. It's striped, as you can tell, and then it's got a little tie. So real quick, I wanted to show you a couple shoes I picked up. Okay, I just took these off actually. I mean, not just a second ago, but a few minutes ago I took these off, and I just recently got a pair of black Birkenstocks. I have never owned legit Birkenstocks until now. I gotta say I love them. The cool thing about Birkenstocks, if you don't know, your feet like mold to them. So if someone tries to like wear yours, it's not right. It's like memory foam that like sticks. It knows your foot. It's so weird. And I also think I just have loved Birkenstocks for years but never actually got them, and so now I have them, and it's so nice because I could just see myself walking to class in them or walking around the dorm in them. And I've been actually wearing them a lot the last few weeks. This is one thing I had to break these in, but they show up so black on camera, but they're just the black straps. They're the Arizona, and then they're the little black metal detail too, the buckles. And I'm a size 37. I wear like US women's 7, and in this I wear a 37. I don't know what that means. I think that's European sizes, but just for reference if you're wondering. I've been wanting a pair of the black and white Adidas Superstars. I think that's what they're called. They're those like basic cool black and white shoes that like every Instagram girl wears and like all these YouTube girls wear, and I like them a lot. Before I went to the Adidas outlet, because I figured, hey, I'll go there because I have an outlet near where I live. Before going there, I stopped into a Ross and I hit the jackpot. Look at these. They're the same shoe, but instead of being the black stripes, it's gold. It says Adidas on the back in gold, and I just love these. It's gold on the inside. I am obsessed. I really have been into gold things this year, and I think gold is so cute. It almost like looks very metallic. It might look silver on camera. It goes between looking gold and silver when I stare at it, but the inside of the shoe is a gold, which is why I feel comfortable calling it gold. I can totally see myself wearing them all the time. And what I like about something like a sneaker like this is, again, you can pair it so many different ways, and I feel like I'm trying to find my style in college, which is so odd because I don't know, I just feel like in high school I wore a lot of thrifted pieces, which is like fine, but I just feel like my style in high school, I would just go so eclectic sometimes, and now I'm trying to kind of make that more mature. Still me, but more mature. Okay, I know this is a clothing haul, but I did want to include one last non-clothing thing. One thing I love to do at this time of year is I always head to Lush, and I have this one mask I've been getting, I don't know, since I started going to prom, maybe junior or senior year, so I've used it for a year or two basically. And this is what I use to clear up my skin. So this is my pro tip for all of you with sensitive skin or skin that just sometimes doesn't clear up easily. I get the mask of Magna Minty. It's all green on the inside, and this mask is really great. It smells so good. It makes me think of mint chocolate chip because of the color and the smell. But You get the self-preserving one because you can use it more frequently on your face. I'll sometimes use this once a day, sometimes sporadically a few times a week, and this always clears up my skin really nicely. So I love using this. And when I was there at the store, I'd never tried a lip scrub because I've never done it. And she gave me some samples. She gave my mom one and me one, and my mom didn't end up using it. So I have bubblegum and cookie dough, and I haven't done the bubblegum one. I've only smelled it. But these are so nice. I really recommend. I'm gonna go buy like a full-size one. I don't know what flavor to get because they're all really good, it seems. But yeah, I just love always getting something like this, not only to like treat yourself a little, but also to kind of get your face, get your skin all taken care of before you start going back to school and getting stressed and getting busy. So guys, that's all for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know when you go back to school. I'm curious. I start on the 28th, which is gonna be wild. I just can't believe I'm a sophomore in college. That feels really weird, especially because it's just so crazy. But yeah, if you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe down below, turn on that bell notification if you want, and if you enjoy this, be sure to leave a thumbs up. That's super nice of you to do. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!